Vertical Restore is one of the most exciting new procedures that I've added to my toolbox. This is a culmination of approximately 10 to 12 years of focusing on the thing that bothers people the most, which is the loss and change of their facial shape to a new, older looking version of you, which none of us really love. The answer to that is a procedure that can address those changes. The ideal candidate for Vertical Restore is somebody who starts to notice that the jawline and the neck, mid-face and the lateral brow have all started to descend downward. And you can't miss it when it happens because suddenly you no longer look like yourself anymore. The jaw becomes more square, the face becomes more long, you start to become a little bit more heavy in the middle of the face, and the eyes start to get a little bit crowded. At this point, you have probably been seeing these changes happen for a number of years and perhaps suddenly decide that this is the time, or you've stumbled upon an understanding that there's something that can be done about it and you don't have to live with it. The end result is you're going to have a very smooth, firm jawline, great contour, youthful contour to the neck. The mid-face will be back up over the outer cheeks, and the eyebrow corners will be lifted so you have that refreshed look. And that is what's ultimately important, is to restore you to the younger version of you, not to a different version of yourself. And so what Vertical Restore does is it's unique in three important ways. Number one, it's a vertically based procedure, meaning that when you're in the front of the mirror, you're not pulling your face sideways like a traditional facelift would. What you're doing is you're going upward, and that's the vector that the Vertical Restore treats. The second aspect of it that's extremely important is that it releases all those ligaments that I mentioned. Those ligaments being released allows everything to be repositioned and relocated back to where it was during the youth without there being a tense or tight feel to the face. And when that is done, not only is it look better, but the results actually last a lot longer. The durability of a procedure like this is twice as long as a standard facelift. And the third aspect of it that is so important is that it's comprehensive and it's balanced, meaning that all four areas are being treated at once. So it's basically like having four individual procedures being done together, and they're never separated because the face doesn't age in segments, it ages together. And by bringing it all together, you end up also compounding the fact that you're going to have a very, very natural outcome, which is so important to all of these procedures.